In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboard in Zoho Books. This guide is crafted specifically for 2025, and it's designed to help you make the most out of your Zoho Books experience by personalizing the dashboard to suit your unique business needs. Whether you're a business owner or a financial manager, having a customized dashboard can be a game changer. It helps you gain quick insights, streamline your operations, and access vital statistics at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Zoho Books homepage. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the default dashboard. This is the hub of all your financial information and the starting point for customization. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will open the dashboard settings interface. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to manipulate and adjust various aspects of your dashboard. Next, you'll want to click on Edit Dashboard. This option enables you to modify the layout and the data displayed to match your specific requirements. In this editing mode, you can choose from a variety of default panels. These panels can include financial overviews, performance charts, or any frequently used metrics, helping you keep an eye on crucial business operations without having to dig through layers of menus. Once you're familiar with the available default panels, you can add any of them to your dashboard. This step is straightforward and allows you to create a working environment that best suits your workflow. Think of these panels as building blocks that, when combined, create a comprehensive snapshot of your business's financial health. In addition to default panels, Zoho Books also gives you the option to incorporate report panels. These are incredibly useful for displaying specific reports that you need to access regularly. Whether it's tracking monthly expenses or monitoring income trends, these panels bring essential reports right to your fingertips, saving you time and keeping you informed. As you go through these customization options, take a moment to select which panels you want to add. Remember, the goal is to create a dashboard that reflects your priorities. It should aid in decision making by showcasing information that's important to you. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes, click on the Close button to save your configuration. This action will not only exit the editing mode, but also ensure that all your adjustments are securely saved. Your revised dashboard will now display the new layout and panels ready for you to use. And that's it. Customizing your Zoho Books dashboard is a powerful way to enhance productivity and gain insights tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Zoho Books experience.